Next, NASA says its Voyager 1 probe, the most distant human-made object in the universe, is sending usable information to Earth again after months of spouting gibberish. The spaceship left the solar system in 2012 and is currently more than 15 billion miles from Earth.
Hey there, space enthusiasts. Get ready to blast off into the cosmos with us. Welcome to Spaceverse, where the universe is our playground and curiosity knows no bounds. Join us on an interstellar adventure as we dive into the depths of space, uncovering its mysteries and marvels. From the secrets of black holes to the landscapes of alien worlds, we're here to ignite your imagination and expand your cosmic horizons. With mind-blowing visuals, expert insights, and the thrill of exploration, Spaceverse is here to get to the ultimate cosmic journey. So strap in, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on an epic voyage together into the vast unknown of Spaceverse. Voyager 1 has returned to stability, taking up its role as humanity's farthest-reaching interstellar representative after overcoming significant communication challenges that resulted in garbled data transmission since last November. This esteemed spacecraft has underscored its vital role in our deep space exploration. In this video, we will delve into how NASA's committed team tackled the spacecraft's challenges, the pivotal role played by the flight data system in restoring communication, and the promising implications this recovery holds for the future of space exploration. Now, we are excited to announce that not only has this iconic spacecraft resumed operation, but it has also successfully resumed its mission. Its 4 scientific instruments are once again fully operational after months of intricate troubleshooting and strategic problem-solving. Once again, Voyager 1's team has demonstrated their expertise. The problem began when Voyager 1, our most distant spacecraft, ceased transmitting comprehensible data, leaving scientists puzzled and eager for a solution. The team focused on the flight data subsystem, a critical component responsible for packaging and transmitting data back to Earth. This essential system for the spacecraft's communication had malfunctioned due to a specific chip issue. Engineers at NASA devised a strategy to isolate and address the problem by pinpointing the problematic code and relocating it to a new section within the FDS. This intricate process demanded precise coordination due to the vast distance, as signals take 22.5 hours to travel one way. On April 20, 2024, the team's efforts paid off when Voyager 1 started transmitting intelligible data again, marking a significant milestone in the mission's recovery. Initially, only 2 of the 4 scientific instruments were operational, providing partial yet crucial signs of life. Fast forward 2 months, and the news improved further. Voyager 1 is now fully operational, with all instruments active and transmitting data. This remarkable turnaround not only demonstrates the resilience and commitment of the Voyager team, but also underscores the spacecraft's robust design, enabling remote repairs and adjustments. As we celebrate this achievement, we also acknowledge the relentless efforts of the engineers working behind the scenes. Their dedication to restoring Voyager 1 not only preserved a vital source of interstellar data, but also strengthened the foundational technologies crucial for future space exploration. Beyond its remarkable engineering achievement, Voyager 1's primary mission is to act as humanity's eyes in the interstellar medium. This vast region lies beyond our solar bubble, known as the heliosphere, and contains materials ejected by other stars, providing invaluable insights into the structure and history of our galaxy. Since entering this unexplored realm in 2012, Voyager 1 has diligently transmitted data on cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and plasma waves. These essential observations contribute significantly to our understanding of the interstellar environment. Cosmic rays, high-energy particles traveling close to the speed of light, offer clues about the potential for life and the processes involved in star and galaxy formation. Magnetic fields, though unseen, wield considerable influence by guiding cosmic rays and shaping the interstellar medium structure. Similarly, plasma waves, fluctuations in ionized gases permeating space, aid in our comprehension of space weather dynamics and their interactions with interstellar winds. The recent revival of Voyager 1's capabilities became possible through the relocation of software code from a malfunctioning chip to another part of the spacecraft's memory system. This innovative solution not only bypassed the chip malfunction but also ensured Voyager 1 could continue its mission, transmitting comprehensible data back to Earth. This advancement secures Voyager 1's crucial role in providing valuable scientific data from interstellar space. Building on its technological achievements, Voyager 1 has amassed a storied history of contributions since its launch in 1977. It conducted extensive explorations of the Jovian and Saturnian systems, uncovering new moons, active volcanoes, and gathering comprehensive data about the outer reaches of our solar system. On February 17, 1998, Voyager 1 surpassed Pioneer 10 to claim the title of the most distant human-made object in space, a distinction it proudly maintains. By 2012, it set another record as the longest operating spacecraft, a testament to both its durability and the ingenuity of its mission controllers. Perhaps its most significant milestone was becoming the first spacecraft to breach the heliosphere in 2012, entering interstellar space where influences from beyond our solar system outweigh those from our Sun. Thanks to recent restoration efforts, Voyager 1 continues to relay uninterrupted streams of valuable information. Voyager 1's journey and recent successes are integral to a broader narrative of human exploration that includes several other pioneering spacecraft. Its twin, Voyager 2, launched shortly before Voyager 1, has also made substantial contributions. Following its grand tour of the outer planets, Voyager 2 entered interstellar space in 2018 and remains engaged in studying the outer limits of our solar system alongside its counterpart. Preceding the Voyager missions, Pioneer 10 and Pioneer 11 set early benchmarks in space exploration. Pioneer 10, the first spacecraft to traverse the asteroid belt and execute a direct flyby of Jupiter, fundamentally reshaped our understanding of the gas giant and its moons. Despite meeting its primary objectives, innovative power management techniques enabled Pioneer 10's mission to continue until 2003. Pioneer 11 followed a similar trajectory, capturing the initial detailed images of Saturn and its rings before concluding its mission in 1995 due to power constraints. These missions laid crucial groundwork for the Voyager missions, testing deep space communication and navigation technologies that are now standard in interstellar exploration. These missions laid the foundation for Voyager by testing deep space communication and navigation technologies that are now standard in interstellar exploration. New Horizons, launched in 2006, represents the next phase of planetary exploration. Following its historic flyby of Pluto in 2015, it is currently investigating other objects in the Kuiper Belt, offering insights into the early solar system's formation processes. Supported by long-distance communication managed by the Deep Space Network, its mission continues to expand our understanding of our solar neighborhood. Each of these missions has encountered unique challenges, from technical issues and power limitations to the vast distances of space they must traverse. Each mission builds upon the successes and lessons of its predecessors, pushing deeper into uncharted territories and unraveling the mysteries of the universe for humanity. As Voyager 1's journey draws to a close, it is evident that this spacecraft is more than just a vessel drifting through space. It stands as a testament to human innovation and our unwavering quest for knowledge. The successful restoration of its systems and resumption of data transmission remind us of the remarkable capabilities we possess and the insatiable curiosity that propels us forward. Thank you for joining us in celebrating this recent triumph in space exploration. Stay tuned for further updates on Voyager 1 and other missions as we continue to explore beyond the stars. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating insights into the universe and the technologies driving our understanding of it.